Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Cooking Euphoria. Today I am going to share with you the recipe of yam curry or in Bengali Olet dalna, in Hindi Suran ki sabji or jimikan ki sabji. To make this recipe I took 500 grams of oil cuts into 1-inch cubes, 1 large size boiled potato, 1 large size onion chopped in slice. To make ginger garlic paste I took 1 medium size of onion, 1 inch ginger, 7 cloves of garlic, 1 green chili. 1 large size tomato will paste while using. Some dried spices like half teaspoon Kashmiri mirch powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder. For fodan, I took 2 bay leaves, 1 inch cinnamon, 2 cardamom, 4 cloves and half teaspoon cumin. Also took half of 1 large size lemon, 2 green chilies, half teaspoon sugar, some dried fenugreek leaves or kasuri methi, half teaspoon garam masala powder or brown sauce powder, 1 teaspoon clarified butter or ghee. Now let's start cooking. First of all, boil yams in a pressure cooker with adding water, salt, turmeric and lemon juice. In this dish, lemon juice should be used twice, once during boiling the oil and second at the end. Many of us afraid of eating oil due to its itching sensation in throat, but proper method of using lemon can reduce itching sensation. So don't keep yourself away from eating such a beautiful dish. Now take a pan or kadhai and heat 3 tablespoons of mustard oil. Then add fodan, that is cumin, bay leaves, cardamoms, cinnamons and clove. Allow them to splatter and then fry onion slices. When onions become light brown in color, add ginger garlic paste and saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add tomato paste and salt and fry properly. When raw smell of the spices disappear, make a paste of all dried spices except garam masala powder with adding little water and pour it into the pan. Now add green chilies. You can also add it as a paste. When the spices separates its oil, add boiled oil and stir slowly so that pieces of oil don't break. Now add boiled potatoes and little water and cover the pan with a lid and allow it to boil for 5 minutes so that spices mixes well with oil and potato. After 5 minutes, add sugar and kasuri methi to the pan and cook for another 2 minutes. Now add rest of the lemon juice and mix it. Add half teaspoon garam masala powder and leave it for 1 minute. Now turn off the heat and mix 1 tablespoon of ghee or clarified butter. If ghee is used, the food taste reaches another level. Now it is completely ready to serve. Garnish this delicious dalna or curry with fresh chopped coriander leaves and serve with steamed rice or rotis. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please visit my channel Cooking Euphoria.